Today we will try to learn more about waste. For that, let's meet David.
Hi, I am David. Today, I learned about what is waste, what are its types, and how to manage it.
So, that was David. Now, we will learn about all those things with his help.
Hi.
Hello, son. How was your day at school?
It was really tiring, but it was really good.
Okay. Have your lunch first and then we can talk about it.
Thanks, Mom, for such a tasty lunch.
Now, tell me about your day.
Today our science teacher taught us about waste.
That is very nice. I would like to know more.
Waste is defined as unwanted and unusable materials and is regarded as a substance which is of no use. Waste that we see in our surroundings is also known as garbage. Garbage is mainly considered as a solid waste that includes wastes from our houses, wastes from schools, offices, etc., and wastes from industries and factories. Do you know? Sources of waste can be broadly classified into 4 types: industrial, commercial, domestic, and agricultural.
Is it?
Yes. Industrial waste are the wastes created in factories and industries. Most industries dump their wastes in rivers and seas, which cause a lot of pollution. Commercial wastes are produced in schools, colleges, shops, and offices.
Okay.
The different household wastes which are collected during household activities like cooking, cleaning, etc., are known as domestic wastes, while the various wastes produced in the agricultural field are known as agricultural wastes.
Were you taught about the different types of waste?
Yes. Commonly, waste is classified into 2 types: biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste.
Go on.
Biodegradable wastes are the wastes that come from our kitchen, and it includes food remains, garden waste, etc. Biodegradable waste is also known as moist waste. They decompose themselves over a period of time depending on the material. This can be composted to obtain manure.
What about non-biodegradable waste?
They are the wastes which include aluminum cans, broken glass pieces, plastics, etc. Non-biodegradable waste is known as dry waste. Dry wastes can be recycled and can be reused. Non-biodegradable wastes do not decompose by themselves and hence are major pollutants.
Okay. You told me about what is waste and what are its types. But, how can we manage this waste?
There are various ways in which biodegradable waste can be decomposed. One of those ways is composting. Composting is the method in which waste can be decomposed and converted into organic matter by burying them in the compost pits. The wastes are composed by the action of bacteria and fungi. Vermicomposting is the method involves the decomposition of organic matter into fertile manure with the help of red worms. This manure is known as vermicompost.
What about non-biodegradable waste?
It is difficult to manage non-biodegradable waste. One of those ways is recycling. Recycling of waste product is very important as this process helps in processing waste or used products into useful or new products. Recycling helps in controlling air, water, and land pollution. It also uses less energy. There are a number of items that can be recycled like paper, plastic, glass, etc. Recycling helps in conserving natural resources and also helps in conserving energy. Recycling helps in protecting the environment as it helps in reducing air, water, and soil pollution.
Okay. Is there any other way apart from recycling?
Yes. Some of the other ways are incineration and sanitary landfills. Incineration is usually used for non-recyclable, non-biodegradable waste, biohazardous waste from hospitals, etc. It involves the decomposition of waste using high heat, that is above 500 degrees Celsius. The residual ash contains metals which can be recovered using separate treatments.
What about sanitary landfills?
The sanitary landfill is an engineered facility that separates and confines waste. They are considered as the most common waste disposal technique which aims to reduce or mitigate the potential risks associated with the environment and human health.
Well, it was quite interesting to hear about all this. How about we continue this discussion in the park and get some fresh air?
Sure.
Well, we have talked about waste, various sources of waste, types of waste and some of the techniques of management.
Yeah.
But don't you feel that the most important aspect is how to reduce waste at personal level?
You are quite right.
Can you think of some ways in which we can achieve this?
Well, we can start by sorting out biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste in our home. We can minimize the use of plastics. We can avoid using plastic bags and instead use a jute bag.
True. We can try to reuse as many articles as we can. We can avoid buying things with extra packaging.
I have also decided to be a part of Eco Club. With this, we can encourage all students to use paper and other resources judiciously. We will try to minimize wastage in school canteen and avoid the use of plastic cutlery.
That's wonderful.
Thank you, Mom.
Keep it up. I guess we should head back to home. It was a really fruitful talk. Well, that was a conversation between David and his mother. He explained about waste in detail. I hope all of you had a wonderful time learning about it.